Hi, this is Lynn. Welcome back to the Art of Aging Gracefully. Today's video is part of our series on technology and older adults. In this series, I've discussed desktop computers, laptops, and smartphones. Today, I'd like to touch on tablets. A tablet is a portable device with a flat touchscreen, typically between 8 and 13 inches. Think of it as something between your smartphone and a laptop computer. You control everything by touching the screen with your finger, which many people find more natural than using a mouse or a keyboard. Popular tablets you might have heard about include the Apple iPad, Samsung Galaxy Tab, and Amazon Fire tablets. Each works slightly differently, but they all have the same basic idea. A lightweight, portable screen you can use for many everyday tasks. Currently, 59% of older adults own tablets, and that number keeps growing. There are good reasons for this popularity. Research has shown some encouraging benefits. A review of numerous studies found evidence that using smartphones and tablets may improve cognitive function in healthy older adults, specifically executive function and processing speed. Additionally, research shows that regular social engagement through digital devices reduces depression rates by 30% among seniors. Great, but what can you do with it? And why should you? Well, one big reason to consider using a tablet is that tablets were designed with simplicity in mind. There's no complicated keyboard with dozens of keys to remember. You simply touch what you want on the screen. Want to make text bigger? You can spread two fingers apart on the screen to zoom out, or pinch them together to zoom in. Most tablets are light enough to hold comfortably, usually under 2 pounds, and you can use them sitting in your favorite chair. Aside from that, many of the things you can do on a desktop, you can also do on a tablet. And the touchscreen lets you do things you can't do on most desktop units. Here are a few things they excel at. Staying connected. Video chat with family members who live far away. See your grandchildren's faces while you talk to them. Send and receive photos instantly. The built-in microphone and camera on most models lets you communicate without needing extra devices. Managing your health. Have doctor appointments from home through video calls. Studies show that seniors using tablets for healthcare management are 40% better with staying with their medications. You can set reminders for medications and access your health records when you need them. Entertainment and learning. Read books with adjustable text size. No more squinting at small print. Watch your favorite shows or movies. Play games that keep your mind active. Look up information whenever you're curious about something. There are practical tasks, too. Check the weather before you go out. Look up recipes while you're cooking. Shop online if getting to the store is difficult. Manage your banking from home. Tablets do have some limitations. They're not as powerful as laptop computers for complex tasks, for instance. And if you need to type long documents frequently, you might find the on-screen keyboard tiring, although if that's the case, it's usually easy to add an inexpensive physical keyboard if you need one. You'll also need an internet connection. This usually means having Wi-Fi at home, which you likely already have if you currently use the internet. If you decide to explore tablets, consider these suggestions. Look for tablets with screens at least 10 inches across. Larger screens are easier to see and use. Check that the tablet has good battery life, ideally 10 hours or more. This means you won't have to constantly worry about charging it. And ask about the return policy before you buy. Most stores allow returns within 14 to 30 days if you decide it's not for you. If you're seriously considering one, visit a store so you can actually hold different tablets and try touching the screen so you can see what you like or dislike. Or ask a family member or a friend if you can try theirs for a few minutes. Remember, just like with smartphones and computers, you don't need to use every feature or learn everything at once. In our next video, we'll talk about voice assistants and how you can free up your time even more at home. If this video inspired you, please like, subscribe, or share it with someone who's looking for a simple tool to make their everyday life easier. Thanks for being here.